Running powerful AI models locally usually hits an immediate roadblock: the hardware. You need a graphics card with massive VRAM, and those can easily cost well over $1,000. But there is a workaround. As this slide demonstrates, you can bypass that cost entirely and hijack a 16GB VRAM AI server for free, using nothing but a standard Google account. By following a few specific commands, you can transform a standard web browser tab into a direct portal to a robust remote Linux machine. Here is exactly how to build it. Step 1 is provisioning our hardware. Navigate to Google Colab and click New Notebook to create a blank canvas. By default, Google assigns this notebook to a standard CPU. Look at this drop-down menu in the top right. You need to open it and select Change Runtime Type. Inside this dialog box, you must manually switch your hardware accelerator to the T4 GPU and click Save. Skipping this step guarantees an immediate crash later on. Before we install any software, we need to verify that Google actually gave us the hardware we requested. Hover over the System Resources icon in the top right corner. This tooltip gives us our target. Confirm that the GPU RAM specifically reads 15.0 gigabytes. That specific number dictates our architectural limits. 15 gigabytes of VRAM is the exact ceiling we need to comfortably run robust models up to 9 billion parameters. Now we have the hardware, but we have a new problem. Colab is designed for Python scripts, not background server engines. It lacks a native command line interface, so we have to inject one. In your first code cell, type pip install colab-xterm and hit play. This script downloads a functional terminal emulator. Type %load extend colab xterm on the first line and %xterm on the second line. Run that cell and this black terminal window will spawn. To interact with it, physically click inside the black box. You'll see the cursor activate next to root. You now have full root access to this remote Linux machine, right from your browser. We are almost ready to install the AI, but we need 2 OS-level tools first. One to decompress the installation files, and another to manage our background tasks so our session doesn't freeze. In the terminal, type apt install screen zstd and press enter. The screen command is our safety mechanism. As this graphic illustrates, it allows us to split our workflow, placing the heavy AI server process in an isolated window while keeping our interactive session open. To initialize that isolation, type screen and press enter. Then press space to clear the introductory text. You are now inside a clean, isolated workspace. Because we are in this isolated screen, our AI engine will be able to run invisibly in the background without blocking us from typing further commands. Now we install the engine. Paste the official Linux curl command from the Ollama website into the terminal. This downloads and extracts the core software that will manage our local models. Once the installation message says Done, type Ollama serve and hit enter. The background AI server is now live. Pay close attention. To leave this screen without killing the server, use a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl-A, let go, then press D. Look at the terminal output. It will explicitly read detached from user session. That detachment drops you back onto your main command line, leaving the server running smoothly in the background, so we can finally start downloading models. Type Ollama poll Qwen 3.5. This targets the 3.5 version of the Qwen model and pulls it directly into our Colab environment. As the progress bar indicates, this specific payload is 6.6 gigabytes, so it will take a minute or two to complete the download. Once it finishes, boot the model by typing Ollama run Qwen 3.5 -verbose. Type a prompt, hit enter, and watch the model generate its response right there in your browser. You have successfully bypassed your local hardware limitations and are now actively conversing with a robust, locally hosted large language model, all in the cloud. Because we added that --verbose flag to our command, the AI prints a diagnostic block at the very end of its response. Look at the eval rate in this block. It confirms the generation speed. This free GPU handles roughly 20 to 30 tokens per second, easily keeping pace with a normal reading speed. However, this speed comes with strict boundaries. You must monitor what you download. This matrix shows our limits. We have 15 gigabytes of VRAM. Qwen 3.5 takes about 7.7 gigabytes, giving us a green check. but a large model, like the 26 billion parameter Gemma, demands 18 gigabytes. It exceeds your limit and instantly crashes Colab. Finally, remember that this server is ephemeral. The moment you close the Google Colab tab, the machine is destroyed. But the next time you need serious AI power without the price tag, you now know exactly how to build it again from scratch.